5 Best Tool Bags. Here is the product number 5. Tool Bag with Cover High Quality Tool Belt. Product description: reasonable space arrangement, bigger storage than you think. High stirring buckle, help you carry the tools firmly. Adjustable belt, adjustable length. Multi-pocket design, carry a lot of tools. With covers on the main pocket, help to protect the tools from dropping. Color main black bound different colors. Shape border tool belt. Here is the product number 4. 1PC's waterproof canvas hand tool bag. Feature: good flexibility, high quality and reliable. Easy to carry, compact size, lightweight. Widely used, in combination with each other, have a variety of uses. Material: nylon. Model number: storage tools bag. Keyword: repairing tool utility bag. Keyword: 1: reels storage tools. Here is the product number 3. WORKPRO waterproof travel bags. Function: tool bag, waterproof bag, tools storage. Adjustable strap allows for easy access to contents. Ideal for carrying hand tools and other small to medium items. Top zipped wide open mouth for easy approaching tools. Outer mesh pocket stores personal belongings, small tools and accessories. 600D polyester material, various pockets for tool. Here is the product number 2. Hoomall multifunction tool bag. Features: 100% brand new and high quality. Made of high quality Oxford cloth, practical and durable. Easy to clean. Logger capacity, enough for you to put your things. Specifications: material Oxford cloth. Color blue, red, black. Size: 585 by 355. Here is the product number 1. WORKPRO tool bags 600D close top. Adjustable strap allows for easy access to all your tools. Ideal for carrying hand tools and other small to medium items. WORKPRO tool bags 600D close top wide mouth electrician bags SML/XL for choice. Brand name: WORKPRO. Type bag. Material: polyester. Outer mesh pocket stores personal belongings and small tools. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.